Today I will be making simple Hobbit holes. These are super simple to make. I started with a styrofoam ball and a wooden base. I cut the styrofoam in half to make the shape of the hill coming out of the ground. Before gluing it on, I wanted to cut out the doors using some poster board. I used some coffee stir sticks to add wood planks to the door. Once I glued them on, I cut the excess off. Now it's time to assemble it. I glued the foam onto the base and then the doors on. I then glued tiny bricks around the door made from insulation foam. I cut some ridges into the top of the house. I then glued some rocks and some sand around the base of the door. Now it's time to prime using a black paint and Mod Podge mixture. I base coated the entire thing brown. Going into the details, I painted the stones with gray. Moving on to painting the doors, I painted the first one blue and the other one red. I then dry brushed with a light tan on all the wood parts. black wash. I didn't really care to do this neatly. Now moving on to the flocking. I then added floral moss to the top of the Hobbit hole to overhang the door. For the other one, I used a fall-colored Woodland Scenics fine foliage. Using oregano as leaves for a few areas. And lastly, I added the door handles by using small pieces of chain. Finally, I gave them a spray seal and called them done. Thanks for watching. See ya.